So your next problem that we had, and this is right on your journals, you guys, so you guys can look at your journals in case you are confused, okay? The next problem that you have is 72, take away 49. Now, let's think again. The very first strategy that we talked about is called the removal strategy. Now, where will we place 49 in this question, in this problem? Where is 49 going to be placed? Now think about it. Look at your chart. Where is 49 going to be placed? Eva? Yes. 49 is going to be your total at the top. So we just have to keep that in mind, that our total at the top, our total jumps, will have to equal 49. Where is 72 going to be placed at? Where did you say? At the end, yes. It's going to be over here. So 72 is going to be placed here. We know we have to take a total of 49 jumps, or a total of 49. Your jumps will have to equal 49. So how will we know what this number is? Removal means take away. Very good. So the very first jump that we're going to have to do is go to the very first friendly number. What would be the very first friendly number? Let me give you a hint. It has to end in this. Okay? Alana?
40.
Okay, you said 40? We're going to take a big jump. 40 would be somewhere over here. We're trying to get to the very, like, right next door. Cameron? 70. Very good. 70 would be the closest number. Ends in a 0. It's very, like, right next door. What do we have to subtract?
2.
From 70 to 70. 70. 72 from 70 is 2. Alright, now, the next big jump that we would have to take would be what Alana said. We're trying to get a jump of
30.
how much? 40. Now, can you guys tell me what 70 subtract 40 is? Ella? 30. Very good. Now we're very close. How do we know that how do I know that I'm very close to finding my answer? Trey? Very good. I know that I'm almost done because if I look at the top, I have 40 and 2. How much is 40 and 2?
42.
42. How many do I need?
49.
Okay, so we have 42. We need 49. How much more do we need? We have 42. We need 49. Can you show me with your fingers, please?
Show with your fingers how many it is.
Okay, we have 42. We need to get to 49. 42, 43,
49.
very good. Total 7. So our very last jump has to be 7. And what is 30? Take away 7.
23.
23. So we know that our answer is 23. And if we add up the total of our jumps, we have 40, 47, 48, 49. We know this problem is solved. The next strategy that we were talking about is called what? Finding a friendly number. Very good. Finding a friendly number. number. Alright, so to solve this, how would I know what jump I would have to take to solve this answer? We know our total at the top has to be how much? 49. Okay. What number would I have to subtract to solve this question? Now remember at the when we were talking about the other question, what is the very first thing that I did to this? What did I do to this number in the previous problem when we did this? What did I do? I rounded to the nearest 10. I rounded to the nearest 10. We know that our 9 rounds up, which would round this number to how much? 50. Very good. So what is our jump going to be? 50. Very good. So we know we have a jump of 50. What is 72 take away 50?
22.
Very good. And we know our answer is this. We have 50. We need 49. Are we going to take away 1 or are we going to add 1?
Add 1.
Why?
So you can get the 23.
Very good. So we're going to add 1. We're going to make 1 jump plus 1. We got to 23. And if we did 50, we don't want to do plus 1, right? Because we took a jump of 50 and then we added 1. So this, when you put them together, you get this. Okay? Your very last strategy is called what? We have the removal. I was about to say that too. We've done the removal. We've done finding a friendly number. The very last one is called difference. So this is the very last strategy that we will be introduced to or reviewing. And we know that in the differencing, instead of subtracting, what do? We add. Alright, so for these two strategies, we always make sure that this number, the one at the bottom, is always at the top. For this number, we always want to make sure that it is at the bottom. So we know that 72 will have to be here. Where will 49 be? Will it be here?
No.
Here?
Yeah. No.
Here?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Yes. 49 has to be here. And now we're trying to find a difference, so we're going to be adding. What number can we add this to get it to a very friendly number? Alex? Yes. We can add 1. What will that take us to? 50. Now, what bigger jump can we do to get us closer to 72? Can we do a jump of 5?
No.
No, because that will take us longer to complete, right? Can we do a jump of 10?
Yes.
We can, but if we do, we're going to be doing 50, 60, 70, right? So we can do a jump of 10, but we would just have to do 2 jumps. We can make one bigger jump, and instead of being 10, we can do it by, JP? Yes. We can do a jump of 20. What is 50 plus 20? 70. And what will our last jump be?
2.
2. when we add our answer at the top, it should be the same thing as this at the bottom. So 20, 21, 22, 23. All right, so 3 different strategies, 3 different ways to solve a subtraction problem. Does anyone have any problems doing this? Perfect. All right. The very next thing that we were going to be doing is we're going to be working with a partner. I would prefer that you guys work with your neighbors, so you two. Zara, let's see who we can pair you up with. Cameron, you can go pair up with JP. Maria and Edgar, you guys can get together to work. And then we're going to be having Isaiah, you can come sit here and come work with Eva. And then you guys work together, and you work together. Okay? So everyone's going to be having a partner. Alright, you guys will be using your journals to be solving the problems that I am going to be putting up on the board.
Okay, do me a favor real quick before we get started on this. Stand up real quick. Chairs in for a minute. Okay, I'm going to give you an addition. Give you an addition equation, and you're going to just do a straight jump to show me the sum. Okay? Ready? 2 plus 3.
5.
Straight jump. 1, 2, 3. Okay, ready? Hands out of your sleeves so you don't fall. How about 3 plus 8? What was the answer?
11.
Okay. Do the difference. Okay. 10 minus 4. What's the difference?
6.
Okay. How about 2 times 5?
1, 2, 3,
What was the product?
10.
Let's see. Listen for instructions, please.
Alright, so let's take a look at the board. This very first one, you guys will be working together, and after you guys are finished, we're going to be asking some volunteers to share their answers. So, together with your partner, you guys will be solving this problem. The very first one says, I am on page 26 of a biography. How many more pages do I have left to read if there are 292 pages in the book? So, let me read this again. I am on page 26 of a biography. How many more pages do I have left to read if there are 292 pages in the book? 2 very important numbers in this story. What are the 2 very important numbers? Eva.
26 and 292.
Very good. So 26 and 292. Very important numbers. We know we're going to be doing subtraction. So it's best to write your equation on your journal so you know what you are solving.
So you want to find your next clean page in your journal, put your date at the top, okay? Today is November the 28th. Good job, Eva. Already have it done.
Write down your subtraction problem. 292 subtract 26. Once once you guys have written this number down, you guys can start working with your partner to solve it. Try to make sure that you're trying to use one of the strategies that you guys have been reviewing. All right? You guys have 5 minutes.
What strategy are you guys showing? Which one is the strategy? Which one is the strategy? So you're going to start at 292 and you're going to remove or take away 26. What strategy are you using? You're adding on. Okay, adding up. Removal. You agree, Saya? So you're going to start at whatever. Remove. You're going to start at 292. So you're going to remove how much of that? Right. What are you doing? You're removing. What is the strategies are you guys? Okay. And are you doing the same one? Yes. So what are the family numbers that you're looking for? What strategy do you guys use?